Hello world, hello YouTube, hello you. It's your girl Dance back with another video. And as you can tell, we're leaving church. It is Sunday afternoon, well Sunday morning, it's after 11 and church is up. But it has been a while. I know you guys haven't seen me in over a month since I cut Vlogtober short, but here I am back again with more content today. And as you guys can tell from the title, we are doing a seafood boil today. So this is going to be my very first time making it, and since we're leaving church now, we are on our way to go and get the stuff that we need, everything. So we're going to get all the ingredients, all the seafood, and then we're going to go home and get it done. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna vlog the whole thing so you guys can come along with us and see how this process turns out. So we'll see you guys in a bit when we get to the store. Okay guys, so we came to the first store, which is Atlantic Superstore, and yeah, we're gonna see what all we can get and if they have all the seafood that we are looking for. So let's keep it moving and popping. So apparently this store doesn't have the seafood that we're looking for. We saw them, we went price looking yesterday, and we saw it in another store, but we came to this one to check it out. So we got to go back to that store because we know they have it, so it makes more sense to go back there. So we're gonna leave now and go get them from there. All right, so we made it to the second store that we are sure has the stuff, and yeah, she only wiped down the handle. What if you touch the rest of the car? There's defeat the purpose of this COVID thing, you know. She wiped the handle up here, but he ain't wiped none of this, but just touch this. All you just touch the back here. That's why you bring your own sanitizer. But anyway.
Vegetables.
The parsley. You can get that from right there. Okay. So, we gotta get some parsley leaves, and then we'll head over to the seafood. So, we're gonna get this.
Mussels,
and wait, why do they look like they disappear?
Say what?
Where the king crab legs gone? OMG. Where they gone? It's the small ones. You see the really big one? Getting lobster tails. This one looks bigger. Yeah, these prices ridiculous, but anyway.
I don't see a king crab.
He said he gonna check for him. I'm excited. Oh, and last one. We got.
Because we couldn't find the crab legs, the king crab.
King crab. We got snow crab. We couldn't find king crab.
So we got the lobster.
So we got lobster claws and lobster claws. So if I can substitute for it, it should still be good. We got all the seasonings that we need. We got the Old Bay and adobo. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get the scissors to cut them open from right here, because I don't think these are in the dollar store. And yeah, y'all, so I know what we just said, right? So this very, very, very nice worker in Sobeys from the seafood section, I had asked about it, and he went all the way to the other side of the store. I got me the king crab. apparently they still had them, they just did some changing around. So I think we're gonna keep the lobster claws and the king crab. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm even more excited now, but let's go. All right. So as you guys can tell, I am now back home, and we got everything out of the store that we needed, and I have them laid out before I actually start getting them prepared. So I'm just going to show you guys everything that is going to be in our boil. All right, so we got some PEI mussels. We got some potatoes. I know usually they put red, but I like the yellow. We got 2 bags of shrimp. We got some lobster tails. We got some corn. We got some snow crabs, just the legs. And we got king crab legs. And we got lobster claws. And we got sausages, forgot the sausages. And we have our garlic butter, regular butter, and all the seasonings we're gonna need, especially Old Bay and adobo. These are the main ones, so made sure to get those. And then I also have my little ingredients for afterwards, you know, my little tools, and then the pans that we can prepare them in. So yeah, let's get this show on the road. All right. Now we are gonna get started on our boil. So I got my big pot. This is the biggest pot I have, so this is gonna have to work for everything. So yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring the ingredients and separate them out, and we'll go from there. Alright, so behind the scenes, I deveined all of the shrimp, and I cut my lobster tails in half so that I have more. So instead of 4 tails, now I have 8. So I felt like that was the smartest thing to do. And so now we have our water boiling, and as soon as it starts to bubble, then I'm gonna add all the rest of the ingredients and all the seasonings. So first, we're gonna add some Old Bay. Okay, and then we're gonna add our garlic powder. The Goya adobo, all-purpose seasoning. Blue Cap. And then some black pepper. Black pepper. A little bit of complete seasoning. I use Mrs. Dash. Some paprika. Oh, and guys, keep in mind that I'm using a recipe that I found on YouTube. And this is my first time, so go easy on me. I'm just using the recipe from Rose GGJ. And I'll leave her description down in the bottom. But yeah, I'm just following what she did because it looked really, really good. And I'm like, yeah, I'm going to follow that one. So paprika's next. And then she added red pepper. Now I need a little spice in my life. And she added some lemon juice. I don't know how much I'm going to put precisely. And she added thyme and parsley. Now I don't have the parsley leaves, so I'm just gonna be using my parsley flakes. And I'm just gonna get my big spoon so we can stir it. And then onions and sweet pepper. Use like a whole onion. Some sweet peppers. The corn and potatoes, which I have already pre-cut. Okay. All right, and while all of that was stewing up, next was the crabs. So let's see how this is gonna work out. All right, so we're gonna leave the crab to cooking now with the vegetables and the corn and the potatoes for about 15 minutes, and then we'll come back because it doesn't take that long for crab to cook. So yeah, we'll be back. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes now, so I'm gonna take my crabs out. All right. Y'all look at my crab legs. All right. So now it's lobster time. So we're gonna put the lobsters in. My potatoes aren't ready yet. I already checked. Sausage time. All right. And once again, we're gonna leave those for about 15 minutes to cook. And by then, hopefully, my potatoes are done. So I'm gonna take out my lobster. Y'all, this smells so good. I really wish y'all could smell it. Our potatoes are done, so just gonna take those out. Alright, so I think I got all the lobster and the potatoes out. So what I'm gonna do now is add the mussels and the shrimp because they're the last thing, and they only take about 5 minutes. So just gonna drop all those in there. And these mussels I bought already came in a butter sauce, so that just means that they're gonna have extra flavor in. So I'm just gonna add that in there. And let those cook for about 5 minutes or so. I think I'll just set my timer for 8 minutes just to be safe. So yeah. Alright, so while the mussels and the shrimp cook, I'm gonna start boiling my eggs. I probably just can do about 4 or 5 max, and yeah, so I'm just gonna go get those while we're waiting for the eggs to boil and the mussels and the shrimp. We're gonna make our sauce. And so she called for regular butter and garlic, but I just bought the stick of garlic butter out the store, so I'm just gonna use this instead, the whole stick, and then add the rest of the stuff. So I'm probably still gonna put a little bit of the garlic in, but so I'm just gonna use a stick. And we bought these, it's 3 pounds, but they are half a cup of butter. So I'm just gonna add that and this, just one. And she added a whole tablespoon, but I'm just gonna do a teaspoon of minced garlic. Okay. And she also added some hot sauce. So I have some Frank's here. Gonna bam! Put the hot sauce there. Okay, so we just gotta wait for this to melt completely. Alright, so now we gotta add in some dry ingredients. So we're gonna put some paprika, some red pepper, a little bit of complete seasoning, and some black pepper. Alright, so while that's bubbling, my timer just went off for our shrimp. So we're gonna take those out and turn the stove off because we're done. So what I'm gonna do is strain it. Alright guys, so here is the finished product. Oh, I can't wait to get into this. Oh man. Oh, this is gonna be lit. Well, anyway guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications to get notified every single time I post another video. And your girl hungry, and it's time to get into this. So I will see you guys in the next one. Yado!